If you want to paint a red onion about this level, then come along. Here's how I did this one. Painting red onion step by step. Start with a bunch of water in the shape of the onion, then add subtle tones, wet on wet, and let the tones smear around a little. So I got purple, reddish, and another kind of violet, a little bit of green. And next we want to, well, you let that dry and then try to add those little lines, little ridges that follow the contour of the onion skin. Add little details top and bottom carefully. Don't do that wet on wet. You will get a sharper thing. Then you can see I tried to get a highlight out by I was putting water with the brush and then blot up with a paper towel, and that sort of made a highlight. This is the end of step 2. We have a shadow established. We let that dry, and now add more colors, try to be bold, and we want to follow the contour of the onion if possible, and have to fix up the shadow a little bit. And well, isn't that a lot of fun? So it's starting to look a little bit like an onion, right? And next is just some finishing touches. I just noticed a very slight brownish area, so we exaggerated that with a little bit more intense brown, and then we just want to have it look as much like an onion as possible, and that's the end. Yesterday I did this apple. If you want to check out that video, please do.